Hi guys, my name is Joshimuddin. I'm at Sylhet Motors right now. This is my second time being here. I bought my first car from here as well. So this is the best place to buy a car, and especially it's a Bangladeshi company. It's a really great company. Friendly service, everybody is really friendly, cool cars. I'm gonna highly recommend everybody to come here and check it out. One of my cousins recommended me this place because he bought a car from here. He told me you should go there and check it out. I bought a 2016 Camry right now. Low mileage, really great car actually. I really like that. I'll give 5 star definitely. Especially the friendly environment. That's the most important thing here. So.